Welcome back, children. This is Miss Tara D, and today we're doing a deck review for the Housewives deck. How adorable is this deck? Just a little background on it. Miss Tara D had to write her notes big so she could see. So the Housewife deck is created by Jude Buffum and Paul Kepley. I do hope I pronounced their names right. I apologize, dearies, if I got it wrong. Miss Tara D's horrible with names. It's designed in a vintage style recipe box. How cute. Complete with separators and 3 recipes. We're going to open this right away. I can't wait to see everything. The Housewives Tarot includes a 1950s inspired deck filled with images of dinnerware, which is the Pentacles, cutlery, and sewing kits, which is the swords, martini glasses. Everybody knows Miss Tara D loves a good martini, which is cups, mops and brooms, wands, and much, much more. Perfect for beginners and seasoned tarot readers alike. Interesting. So this deck comes with an instruction book, 78 tarot cards. It follows the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. It gives some layouts and the shapes of a martini glass, clothesline, and much, much more. Very interesting. Okay, why don't we begin? I got this several months ago, and I've been dying to open it. But I wanted to wait till I had time to actually do an unboxing because, you know, Miss Tara D, what does she love? A virgin deck. And, I just love when I'm the first one to peel the plastic off it. Such a wonderful feeling. Some people get off on bubble wrap. I get off on opening tarot decks. So the Housewives Tarot, a domestic deviation kit with deck and instruction book. And then it says the Housewife Tarot, a domestic deviation book, same thing. If you could see, it's got some instructions, a little thing in there. It's too small for Miss Tara D to read, even with her magnifying glass. Let's see if I could read a little bit. Within this box lies the secrets of domestic empowerment. Begin your journey by lifting the lid, dealing out your faith, and understanding the hidden messages of the Housewife Tarot through images of dinnerware, martini glasses, cutlery, and brooms. I apologize. It's very hard for Miss Tara D to read these. All right, and basically it just goes on little by little to tell you there's 78 cards, blase. Unfortunately, they don't make these for the visually impaired. I bought these on Amazon for $19.99. I think I actually paid a little bit more than $19.99 on Amazon. They might have been $23 if I remember correctly. Alrighty. Okay, and let's see here. Let's open up our box. Okay. Nice little box. Oh, this is precious though. Look at this. It looks like a little recipe box. Alrighty. Okay. And let's take a closer look at this deck. Okay, let us begin. What a cute, adorable box. It literally looks like a recipe box. Not that what Miss Tara D would know because she's not a cook. The only thing I know how to make is reservations, but it's a cute box and it has some endorsements from people such as Mimi Applebaum and Ruth Cooper and Janice singleware, whatever. I can't read what their recommendations are because it's a little too small for Miss Tara D, but it's okay. You can read that on your own. Shuffle the deck to create the recipes of your future. You won't believe your eyes how adorable this all is. And then there's a little coupon. Save for confusion, heartache, and guesswork. Oh, the Housewives Tarot. Okay, so let's see what we have here. The Housewives Tarot. It's just a little, okay, just a little flip card. And then we have the Major Arcana. And this, oh, look at this. This actually comes with a recipe to make a cake. Icebox fortune cake. Very nice, very nice. Maybe Miss Tara D can get one of her guests to come make the cake for her. She doesn't know how to bake. It's an icebox cake, and yet she'll still burn the house down. So these are the majors. Let's take a look. Oh, how adorable. There seems to be a little plastic here. There we go. How cute are these? They remind me of the old Life magazine photos. Remember those? So we have the Fool. How cute is that? Magician. I love the Mrs. Butterworth. This reminds me of the movie Grease when Danny Zuko and Sandy went up in the red car together. Yes, these were the scouring pads. They can take the paint off the wall. They were so strong. I love those. They're hard to find good scouring pads these days. Oh, this is so cute. Salmonella Death. Adorable. Oh, this is Darling Devil. Devil's food cake and all kind of food that'll kill you, but it's adorable. The Spam. Oh, who remembers the Spam? She got a lot of ribbons for her star pie. Very cute. Oh, hysterical. Miss Tara D totally relates to this judgment. When I stand on that scale, I refuse it. I feel it's got a personality problem and it's angry at me. She's over the scales, always giving me bad news. I totally get this. I love it. I love it. It's so funny. And in the world. Beautiful. Darling, darling work. Beautiful. Beautiful artwork. Pentacles. The King of Swords look like their own knives. And last but not the least is Pentacles, and Pentacles seems to be all plates. And the King. So those were the 4 suits. Very, very, very cute. And let's see what else we have in this. So here we have somebody cleaning and doing ironing, and then we have this cute little book, the Housewife Tarot instruction booklet. Once again, it's too small for Miss Tarot D to read. I like the fact that they put the actual photos in the book. I always appreciate when they take the time to do that. Oh, a couple little spreads. Very cute little deck. This one looks like a little martini glass. I like that they have the magicians, the full, look at that, they have them all, so you can follow along. Very, very, very cute. I'm really happy that I bought this. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid. Let me see here. They said $19.99. Miss Tarot D thinks she paid a little over that. I think it was $22 or $23. I don't think it was $19.99. My only criticism is that it's very Caucasian. There's no diversity in the deck. I don't know if that was just a nod to how things were portrayed in the 1950s, how people of color were basically whitewashed and non-existent in media. So, yeah. But I think they could have tweaked that a little, even though that's not what was at the time, since they are creating this deck from scratch, including all the artwork. I think it would have been appropriate if they had put people of color in here as well. After all, black people and Spanish people existed in the 1950s. Hello. But other than that, very, very, very cute deck. Very cute deck. I could see where a lot of people would like using this deck. For Miss Tarot D, this is more of a novelty deck. I don't really think I would use it for reading, but it is a cute deck. All right, I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.